Hey y'all, let's go shopping. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be doing a Mantas vlog. I haven't done it in a while, like in a long time. So I want to do it with you all, of course. I mean, Mantas vlog, y'all eat my Mantas vlog up. Like, I mean, I don't give like a K video, like 1K videos about that, but I just love doing Mantas vlog because it's self-care, and I love it so much. As y'all can see, I did my hair. I didn't record it because I didn't know what hairstyle I want to do my hair like. So I look on Pinterest to figure out what kind of hairstyle. So the two twists is my weird hair. I wash it, I clean it, I blow dry it out, twist it, and I just add the fake cuts to it. And I just did like that. And I like it. So the kind of short because my twist is short, so it's short, but it's okay, I like it. But we are here at TJ Maxx, and I tell you, one of the Mantas vlogs that I really love is this shopping. So we are at TJ Maxx, one of the stores for today. I am also will be going like other stores like Walls, Marshalls. TJ Maxx is like, I'm looking for three things, okay? All the other stuff like Marshalls and Walls, I'm going shopping, okay? But let me go ahead and go in. Today is this bag, this little baby pink bag that I got from Forever 21. And my outfit is such casual, chill outfit, nothing too crazy or cool accessories. But yeah, and y'all, my cup matched with my purse. Wow, how cute! I got my water. Gotta stay hydrated, please. Very hot outside today. So let me go ahead and go in to see what they got in here. Okay, so I am back from TJ Maxx. I literally did not saw nothing. I mean, there's a good amount of people in there, but good, I didn't saw nothing. Like it was a lot of people in there, and it kind of overwhelmed me. But the stuff that I actually was looking for, I didn't see it at TJ Maxx. It didn't leave. I don't think it leave me a second that I went in it at all. But we might go to Walls and Marshall. Hopefully they got something that I need. Hopefully they do. So we might go over there and see what they got. Okay, anyway, this angle look crazy. This angle look, y'all kind of lopsided. Anyway, we are here. Sorry for the, sorry for the bad angle. But we are here at Walls and Marshalls. I'm gonna go to Marshall first, and then we'll go to Walls. And I also want to go to Burlington too, y'all. It's some Juicy Couture bag that I really want, called Daily Ones, and that it's just a one bag that I want for Juicy Couture. Lately, I have not been getting Juicy Couture bag lately. It just I don't really like the style, but yeah, this Daydreamer bag I really want, But I better go in. Somehow my phone is not charging on this one. Okay, it's 3:54 right now, as I can see. So hopefully we can find something in Marshalls and Walls and Burlington. Hopefully, like I just need some three things. Like I actually need some new stuff for myself. But yeah, hopefully. My lip look okay today. Yeah, let's go to, y'all can see that, Walls, and Marshall is over there. But yeah, let's go shopping. Okay, yeah, it's a whole lot later. I am back home from shopping, like going to stores and stuff, trying to find something or whatever. And let me show y'all what I got. Okay, I told you that I went to TJ Maxx, but TJ Maxx didn't have nothing at all that I was looking for. So I went to Walls and Marshalls. Let me show you what I got from Walls. Got this adorable XOXO bag. She black. I really love this bag. She's so small too. I don't have a small bag, so I just thought it was cute. And it has like a cross body too with it. But I like the hood like this though. I think it's so cute. It's so cute. So yeah, the price wasn't that bad. It was I just saw the price in here somewhere. It was like $10, I'd say. Oh, 10. It was $11. It was $11.99. That what it was. Then I just got me a regular black t-shirt because I don't have this type of t-shirt, like a regular black t-shirt. So I got these. Like these. It's kind of quiet. Not too quiet, but like it's perfect size. And this was $6. So really cute top. It was. This is a small. Oh no, something like a casual cute top that I'm gonna hang out with my friends or something. I think it was cute. This blue color is really pretty. I really love this top blue color, and it was $7. So that's it. I got from Walls. Walls and then I got some more shirts. I saw this baby pet t-shirt and I got so excited. Do y'all see these baby pet? I swear one of my cousins had this. You should give it away. I swear, it's pink. It's kind of like a light pink. I mean, hot pink. I'm saying, but I really want the jackets and the pants. So this is my first time. It was $8 at Marshalls. I love the Marshalls. I got so excited when I saw this juicy set. This is a shorts. It's a small, but it's kind of big on me, so I have to like flip it over. And the jacket. This is the jacket, y'all. Yeah, see the zipper, the back of it. The wild stone, juicy. Then I got me some lotion because I'm out of lotion, and I got me some undergarment. Not gonna show. But I got the Tree Hut Watermelon Moisturizing Body Lotion. I can talk. This is what I got. And I'm trying to smell it in the store, and I'm like, why can't I smell it? Because it had that Hakima. So I'm gonna open it and see. It smells like summer. Always smell like watermelon. But yeah, that's pretty much it that I got when I went out. So I didn't find the bag, the Daydreamers Juicy Couture bags, but it's okay. I am still on the hunt for that. If I can't find it, I'm gonna buy it from another seller. But it's $8.51 for my guy. I buy for my Amazon. Take off my makeup. I didn't have part of my lip gloss, my lip liner. My lip liner stayed on, which I'm very happy about. And I put some mascara on. So I'm gonna take that off, and then I'll eat. Got some pizza for dinner, so I'm gonna eat that. And then I'm gonna do my nails, y'all. Let me show you the nails that I'm gonna do. Nails I will be doing on my nails. This is the press-ons. This French tip nails, which I really love. I cannot wait to put this on my nails. It's been a long time. I'm literally not. But look at my nails. My nails is rough. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And if y'all like, Kima, you really got good lining. Like, I know. Let me show y'all my border. Got me a body mirror. Yes, I got a body mirror. My brother got me a body mirror for my birthday. my late birthday present. So I really love it a lot. So much. It's a speaker too where you can play your music. And then you can turn the colors. It's so crazy. Like you can do that time. This is pretty. I love this. Yeah, see the color, the purple. It's so, look at the good lighting. It's crazy. But yeah, so that's pretty much that's pretty much for the haul for today. I just want to like go put my pajamas on, take my makeup off, eat, and do my nails. That's my phone, and do my nails. Hey it's the next day. Is 1:06. Today is Sunday, April 7th. Today, you know, this is a Manhattan's vlog. I did finish up my nails last night. She came out so cute. I freaking love her. But I will be doing an eyelash clusters, I guess you call it, but I'm not gonna put too much on my eyelash. But I do want to do this for the first time ever, so I got these. Got my little Twizzlers, and I think I was gonna do eyelash glue on here. So yeah, I love this. This is my first time going to do this, so my mirror's on. But I think it should be fun. I think. I don't know. This is my first time doing this, so we are going to do it together. Okay, I got my mirror. Yeah, let's see how it feels. Okay, I got my mirror. Ooh, I'm scared. I've been watching TikToks, videos about this, so I am a fan. But today I will be going to the natural hair show with my sisters and my mama. So I just want to do something for this part of the video of my Manhattan vlog, and I do gotta get dressed. I don't know what I'm gonna dress. I don't know. I'm some casual dress. I do got like multiple jeans on there, but anyway, let's see how this is. I'm doing this Manhattan vlog on a budget, y'all. Nails, I don't know how much the nails was. This was when I got a wig off of TikTok, so they give me this. So I got that. This is for free. So my hair, they're my own hair. I didn't buy no hair for this. I already got some hair already in my bag. So this is at home on a budget Manhattan vlog. Look at my phone screen. It's so pretty. I don't want to put too much on my eyelash. I do want to look real. Hey y'all, it's a whole lot later. Yeah, it's 9:30 something. I am back home, as y'all can tell. But I didn't show y'all my outfit. I thought I did record me showing y'all my outfits, but I did not. So let me show y'all now. This is my outfit. I don't know how to do this. My outfit on my clothes. Oh my bad. How can I forget that? So cute. So this is what I wore today. I think she's so cute. Alcohol I did. But yeah. That's my outfit. My necklace. They just so cute. My bracelet. Go. My makeup. You see my makeup. Well, my lips worn off because I did 8. I did 8. My eyelids still on. But yeah. So the next step on my at-home matte test. I am gonna do a self-care. Gonna clean my face. We're gonna deep clean my face because I really do need it. And yeah, and I think that would be it for this video. So I'm gonna do my self-care. We're gonna light up a candle when we're done, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so I will see y'all in the bathroom.